Hi guys, welcome to Warm Up Wednesday. Today we're going to play a game called Sound Effects. What you need is a pair. For every person that's on stage, you need a partner. So if there's two people on stage, you need two people off stage. And the two people on stage are going to do a scene. Can be about really anything, but every time that they need a sound effect or a suggested sound effect, their partner, standing off to the side, is going to make that sound effect for them. Just make it through the scene. Good luck.
I'm sure it will.
There it is! Hello! I got the pizza. Can you just take it upstairs? Up the wooden stairs. The wooden ones on the side. Thanks.
Kelly, like, is this? I think there's something wrong with the punch.
Okay, I'll try it.
I mean,
Well, that tastes weird.
I know, right? Really weird. I know, and it was something alive. I think something alive fell there.
When you said weird, I thought you said.
That's what I meant!
I thought you said it was alcoholic, not. What is that? Okay, I'm just gonna just.
Okay.
That was my sound effect. Oh shoot! Okay. I don't know where we threw that thing. It's like a little lake monster.
I know. It's like a little rock.
Wait, did you see that?
Okay. I think. Just all right. Just
Get over to the pizza.
I'm gonna.
Pizza. We'll feed the
Okay.
pizza.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hit it with the pizza box. I'm gonna hit it with the pizza box.
I'm
All
gonna
right.
throw bits of pizza
Okay.
out its mouth.
He's just eating it. Now he's getting bigger.
Yeah, actually, hit him again. He kind of looks concussed.
Okay.
See if you can do it again.